Hello, friends. Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Have you heard of Rumble but aren't sure how to make money on it? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to make money on Rumble as a beginner. Are you interested in learning how to make money on Rumble? Are you a content creator or planning to join the League of Content Creators? There is an alternative to YouTube, although less popular than YouTube. We'll help make it faster and easier to make money with Rumble. If you make video content, you might be wondering where you can go to make money on it. After all, one of the most important factors to consider when selecting a video platform is monetization. Rumble is a video platform that allows creators to earn money in a variety of ways. Here's an overview of how the platform's monetization works. How does Rumble work? Rumble is a platform for user-generated content, UGC, that allows anyone to upload and share videos with the rest of the world. The platform is free to use and accessible to anyone. Content creators can create a free account and begin uploading videos right away. Rumble earns money from media partners such as MTV, Xbox, Yahoo, and MSN, as well as advertising. The platform pays content creators based on how well their videos perform. The creator will receive a portion of the revenue if the video was used by a partner or generated views through advertising. How creators make money on Rumble. Rumble provides creators with 4 different licensing options. Video management, exclusive, video management excluding YouTube, Rumble only, and personal use are the available options. Rumble's video management exclusive and video management excluding YouTube options let you share your videos with partner sites and TV networks who will pay Rumble for the right to show them. Rumble will then split the profits with you. Your videos can only be viewed on rumble.com if you select the Rumble only option. This means you'll only make money from ads that appear on your videos. With the personal use option, you retain complete ownership of your videos, but your videos won't be searchable or monetizable, and they'll only be accessible to subscribers. Small Business Trends reports that if Rumble approves your video for use by one of its partners, you'll receive $50. You'll also get another $100 if your video makes it to Rumble's front page. Another advantage of Rumble is that these earnings are in addition to the ad revenue you receive when advertisers are linked to your video. What sort of videos make money on Rumble? There are 2 answers to this question. To begin, the most profitable videos are those with a high number of views. Second, the most profitable videos are those that can generate a lot of revenue. Videos that are entertaining, informative, or both perform well in terms of views. That means you'll have to put in some effort to make your videos high quality and engaging. But if you can do that, you'll be well on your way to profiting from Rumble. If you want to make money on Rumble, the first thing you should do is create a free account. After that, you can begin uploading videos right away. There are no restrictions on the number of videos you can upload or their length. Once you've uploaded some videos, it's time to promote them. Because Rumble isn't as well known as YouTube and other video sharing platforms, you'll have to work a little harder to get people to watch your videos. The more people who watch your videos, the more money you can make. So it's worthwhile to devote time and effort to promoting your videos and getting them in front of as many people as possible. So how much money can you make on Rumble? Content creators can make more money on Rumble than they can on YouTube, and they can do it faster. Without the restrictions of having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning money right away. How much money you make on Rumble depends on a number of factors. Was your video approved for use by a partner? Did a video make the front page? How many views did a video get? Are ads shown on your video? Do you have links for affiliate marketing? How many videos do you upload each week? Depending on the answers to those questions, you could make hundreds of dollars per day. Or you could earn no money at all. Just like with a YouTube channel, earning money on Rumble is not consistent. It depends on the quality of your content and how often you upload videos. Sources to make money on Rumble. Use a free account to test the site. Getting started on Rumble is easy and, best of all, free. To make the most money on the video site, start out by testing it with a free account to get familiar. You can start to earn money immediately with high-quality videos that have good titles and descriptions. If you've already made content for other sites, consider posting those videos on Rumble to get started. Please be aware that because every video must be reviewed by Rumble before it's published, your video could take anywhere between a few hours to a few days to get approved. Tag your Rumble videos. Another way to start making a little bit of money on Rumble right away is by tagging videos. You'll earn 5 cents for each video you tag to help with search engine optimization, SEO. Keep an eye out for revenue numbers. Rumble gives creators the option of making their video earnings public. To see what's making money on Rumble, keep an eye out for revenue numbers on the platform. A Reddit user recently revealed that he uploaded a video onto the platform and he soon got an email stating that he earned $125 just for that video. Consider using a publisher account. A free account will only allow you to share your videos on Rumble's current video platform. To make the most money on Rumble, consider using a publisher account. This account allows you to sell your videos and receive a percentage of the advertising revenues from other platforms. Profit sharing. Rumble gives creators the option of profit sharing and selling a video for cash. Rumble determines a video's value through precision in labeling or sharing. Exclusive partnerships. When content creators give up all of their video rights to Rumble via an exclusive partnership, it's possible to earn as much as $1,000 per video, depending on the length and content. Non-exclusive partnerships. Choosing the non-exclusive partnership licensing option allows creators to keep all of the rights to their video, while still generating up to $500 in profit by allowing partners to use it. Brand sponsorships. If you can build a large following through your Rumble video channel and your content is getting views, you can generate money via brand sponsorships by partnering with different companies. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.